You don't need to be a brilliant mathematician to use and create work in Excel, but you need a basic understanding of maths. Excel uses standard maths operators or symbols in its basic calculations. So we use a plus sign to add, a minus sign to subtract, an asterisk to multiply, and a forward slash to divide. Now every Excel formula will start with an equal sign, and I'll show you what I mean. If I click on cell A1, a simple formula would be equals 100 plus 10, and then if I press the enter, the answer is displayed. If I click on cell A1, we have A1 selected in our name box, and in our formula bar we have 100 plus 10 as the formula, and the answer displayed. Cell A2 equals 100 minus, this time, 10. Press our enter, and there we have the answer displayed, 90. Click on there, cell A2, 100 minus 10. Cell A3 equals 9 multiplied, this time, so an asterisk, by 3. Enter. Answer in cell A3, 27. Click on there, and there's our formula in the formula bar. And cell A4, guess what? We'll do a division. So equals 9 forward slash 3. So 9 divided by 3. Press the enter button. Answers 3. And again, you see it in your formula bar. Now, this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these four numbers together. But I'm not going to do the formula myself. This time, I'm going to move up to the editing group, and I'm going to click on Auto Sum. And when I've hovered the mouse over Auto Sum, you can read it says display the sum of the selected cells directly after the selected cells. Right, okay. So what that means is it's going to add up the 4 cells I've got above, immediately above it. So if I click on there, and we have this effect around the 4 cells, which is called a marquee effect, and in cell C5, our formula equals sum, so that means added together the total of all 4 cells, and it's A1 through to A4. You see it in our formula bar a little bit easier, equals sum brackets A1 through to A4. So we're adding 110, 90, 27 and 3. And if we press our enter key, there's our answer in A5, 230. So that's straightforward enough. But when we're moving cell to cell, we can also do sums. So if we have values in cell C2, 45, and in D2, 55. If I wanted to put a formula for these two and add them together, I could use the auto sum, but I could also put equals, and this time if I point at C2, that's got the marquee effect. Use our plus sign, and D2, so I'm adding C2 and D2 together, press the enter button, and there we have 100. Try something slightly different. 50 as a value in C4, and a 4 in D4, and this time I'm going to multiply them. So in E4, equal sign, select the cell I want to use, that's C4, select the mathematical operator, and asterisk to multiply, and then select the next cell to multiply it by, D4. Press the enter button, 200. And lastly, I'm going to show you on this tutorial, I'm going to put a value of 76 and a value of 23. In cell E6, I'm going to do my formula, so it's going to equals, select my first value in C6, this time a forward slash to divide, select D6, there's our formula, C6 divided by D6, so 76 divided by 23, press the enter button, and it comes out at 3.304348. Now that actually is quite a few decimal points, and if we want to get rid of decimal points or round things up or down, up to the number group, and then we've got decrease decimals, increase decimals. Well, let's decrease the decimals of this cell, so click on there, and we've got down to 3.3. Thanks very much.